Decent machinery, decent services. Contact us now.
The 919 series. The 919 series delivers high airflow and efficient dust extraction, maintaining a clean environment. Performance thrives in optimal static pressure and airflow for dust removal. The fan features dynamically balanced impellers for minimal vibration and noise. It is constructed with galvanized steel for enhanced durability.
Decent machinery
Ensures effective dust control and offers on-site installation and efficient assistance for maximum efficiency.
Decent machinery, decent services. Contact us now.